How did I do this? Pull it down, pull it down. No, 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 no. Welcome to another vlog. I'm on my way to Alexis's house right now. We're having another content day. We're gonna hit up a rose garden. We've never been there before, but we've seen it on Instagram. So I'm excited to get some content and just hang out. We do this about once a week. It's about 5 p.m. on a Sunday, so we're getting a late start to the day, but I wanted to get there around golden hour. That's the best time to take pictures and videos. Make sure to watch my last couple of vlogs because we did the beer poster challenge and I surprised my husband with it. He was pretty shocked and the video is pretty funny, so you don't want to miss that. I did some faux freckles today. I'm still getting used to it, so definitely different, but faux freckles are trending, so you know, I had to hop on that trend. All right, so let's go have some fun. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So cute.
Hot Topic.
Oh wow, is it like a Disney collection?
Yeah, it's like with a Disney Princess collection.
So
they have like
cute.
other cute stuff too.
Ooh, look at the girls. They are sitting
Boing,
high. So cute. And the bow and everything.
Yes,
Princess
girl.
vibes. I
have
love
two
it.
outfits. I have to do this one and that pink dress you saw.
Yes, I love
it.
it.
I just got this today and I was like, yes, this is going to be so pretty, like with the aesthetic.
Yeah, you need two outfits. I love it. This is our inspo. So pretty.
Shout out to that girl.
Yes.
Uh-oh. And then I have one more inspo too. It's not loading. But this girl, she's actually my friend. She's my friend. I'm gonna steal her ideas.
She the homie. Ooh, super
cute.
cute. Yeah, you guys
I like
have the same top on, right?
Mm-hmm, like the roses in the background instead.
Yeah.
And then like I like how she has a back picture. That's
Yes.
cute with my bow.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh, it's so pretty over here.
Yeah, the flowers are better over here.
Yeah. I turn toward me. My elbows on the lid. Alright, Alexis just did her outfit change, so we're gonna get some more content. The pictures are coming out so good.
Oh, I'm gonna finish the video.
Video? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish it real quick. So I'm gonna start it like this and then ready, go.
Natural. First shot. Oh, these are so cute. You like a twirl. We're back at Alexis's house now and we're about to do this TikTok that I have been wanting to film, and we're going to be wearing the same sweatpants. I bought these from Walmart. They're a size like triple XL, and she's going to be wearing the same shirt as me, so make sure you're following us on social media.
Oh fuck. No. I was like, no, my teeth. Not my face.
Are you okay?
Okay, I'm good.
Fuck. Can we get it up? How did I do this?
How did I get out?
Hold on. Let's just pull it down. Pull it down. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness.
My neighbors.
Hi.
Okay, ladies, what you got going on?
I know, it's so awkward.
TikTok.
Put my other foot in there.
I'm sure there's a good story.
Yeah. Okay, there.
Okay.
How is that?
Yay, we did it. That took way too many takes. We got bit up by mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes out here in North Carolina.
That was hilarious. Well, at least we could say that we've both worn the same pair of sweats at the same time.
My neighbor came out.
Her neighbor saw us struggling to put the sweatpants on.
She was like, there must be something good. What'd she say? Good story.
Yeah, must be a good story behind that.
It's so awkward.
We're like, we're making a TikTok.
You were like, TikTok.
All right, so we're gonna hit up some stores now because that's Alexis's Sunday ritual. So
My ritual.
yeah, I need to find some organizers to
Target.
Yeah, maybe from Target to organize my clutter. Alexis has some really cute, they're like stackable acrylic
Yeah,
drawers.
they're usually $6. I think they're full price $12, but they're always on sale for $6 every time I get one.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Twinning!
Justin Bieber. Bieber believer.
First stop, TJ Maxx. Look at this Minnie Mouse vanity mirror. This would be perfect for Alexis.
I don't know, like how much it is. It doesn't say.
Is it underneath?
It says first if you don't sit.
It's expensive,
Yes.
huh? I think I saw it and I think it was a couple hundred, wasn't it?
$250.
Damn.
That's crazy.
What does it go for? Like
I don't know. It's
full
it's
price.
TJ Maxx. Why is it that expensive? Pissed.
because it's huge.
I mean, how big is it? You think it's that
Disney.
big?
It looks like it.
LED wall mirror. It doesn't look
Oh,
wall.
dang. It's about 10 p.m. I just got home. The day went by so fast. I had a lot of fun with Alexis. Our content days are always the best. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next week is my girlfriend's bachelorette, so watch out for that vlog.